Yo boys, it's Broski here. We got the 1JZ Cefiro and we got the Neewer triple suction car mount for them crazy GTA POVs. So let's mount this on and let's see how it works. So first boys, let's unbox this. I actually bought this for about $80. So the box is pretty tired, but let me open it. Let me show you guys what's inside, what it comes with, and then how to mount it on. And then let's go for a drive and see the crazy GTA POV. Boom, so like I said, the box is pretty tired and I did open it once just to see it, but this is what it looks like. So it does come with a pretty nice foam, as you can see, all of the things in there. So this is double suction, plastics on the suction so they don't get dirty or anything like that, which is nice, of course. Then you've got this button you press in, so you've got a white line there. Once the white line disappears, that means it's ready. So let's just put this to the side, see some other parts. So another suction, same thing here, of course. And then you've got the invisible stick, which is quite nice. I can't lie, the quality is pretty nice. The grip is very nice. This is pretty nice as well. Even when you tighten this, there you go, no chance of it moving. It's pretty solid, nice. But you also get a string, so of course you attach this to your camera, just in case it does fall off, then you won't lose your camera. And then you've got some connecting rods everywhere, like these, then this, and also this. So boys, I'm pretty excited, I can't lie. I'm gonna be connecting my Insta360 X5 to this, and obviously, let's go for a drive, let's see what it looks like. So let's put this together, let's mount it on the car, and let's go.
Everybody wanna see me stop. Breaking down walls, no sheetrock. Hot boy steaming off top like teapots. Hey, yeah, y'all want smoke, then get hit with a detox. Coast to coast, been a pro, shoot knee locks. Y'all don't rap, the bars weak, those cheap shots. Fuck it, I came through.
Boom, and it's done. So of course, first boys, clean the surface you're working with. And let's mount this right in the middle, about like that. Press it down. That one's done, as you can see. The white line's gone now. Now the last one. And done. Now that it's on, this is how it looks like. Let's put the Insta360 on it, and then actually first, let's test it. Damn, yeah, it's about to rip my boot out, literally. Then you just extend the rods. Boom, that one's done. Extend this one. That's done. Unscrew this last one. Now that's done as well. This one here as well. Boom. This is what it's looking like. So now we put the Insta360 on and go for a drive. Let's go with the X5, of course. So let's go for a drive and let's see how it looks like from that point of view. Oh damn, that took some time to start, man. What the hell? Damn, that shit's shaking in the back, man. It's shaking so much, that pole. I wonder if it won't snap or anything. I hope it won't. We're gonna do some pulls here in a minute. So currently the car has no aircon, man, and I'm sweating my balls in here, boys. Fucking hell. Right boys, so the mount is actually looking decent. It is shaking up and down a little bit, of course, because the car is on coilovers, so it's hard suspension and the pole is just jumping up and down. But we'll review the footage when we get home and yeah, see how it looks, man. But it's holding on and everything. I gave it a few pulls and yeah, it's doing actually decent, boys, I can't lie. I am so sweaty, it's unreal, man. Fuck, it's hot in here, man. Unfortunately, boys, something happened with the audio on my outro on my last video, which was yesterday. But yeah, today is a bit shit or whatever, I can't lie. But there's a Cefiro, man. The mount is very good, I can't lie. It does say it's up to 80 kilometers an hour. I don't know, I didn't drive that fast, but I mean, nothing came off, man. The footage is nice and everything's just proper. Of course, the X5, the stabilization is so good, man, that you can't even see the shaking and everything, even though the camera was shaking like a lot. But yeah, the footage good, man. It looks nice. So yeah, definitely recommend it, man. And that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.